Next, let's look at the Sentiment Timeline tab. Here, with AAPL selected from the symbol dropdown, the title row reads AAPL News Sentiment Status up to September 23rd, 2025, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. It's important to note how this works. Today is September 23rd, so the tab shows news sentiment data up to 7:45 a.m. on this date. In practice, users usually open this tab about an hour before the market opens on the following trading day. So this view always reflects the latest available news sentiment, provided that the date is a working U.S. market day. Overview of the indicators. Below the title row, you'll see 6 indicators arranged in 3 pairs, along with a sentiment timeline chart. These indicators summarize average sentiment and article volume from top financial news sources. They cover 3 time frames: the past 7 days, the past 3 days, and the past 1 day. Updates occur daily at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time before the U.S. market opens. 7-day sentiment, left side. The first 2 indicators on the left show the 7-day news sentiment for AAPL. This calculation includes all news from key financial sources over the last week. The gauge ranges from -1, which is strong negative, to +1, which is strong positive. Below the gauge, a smaller indicator shows the news volume, the number of articles published over this period. 3-day sentiment, middle. The middle pair shows the 3-day news sentiment. This includes all articles from the last 3 days across financial news outlets. Again, the gauge ranges from -1, strong negative, to +1, strong positive, with a second indicator below it showing the news volume. 1-day sentiment, right side. The pair on the right shows the 1-day news sentiment, covering all news published since the previous market close. The gauge works the same way, ranging from -1 to +1, with the volume gauge below showing how many articles were published during this short window. Sentiment timeline chart. Below the 6 indicators, you'll find the news sentiment timeline chart. This chart visualizes every news article about AAPL published in the last 7 days. When you hover over any point, it shows the published date and time in Eastern Time, the news source, the sentiment score assigned by our AI, and the headline of the article. On top of the data points, the chart also includes a trend line. This shows the overall direction of news sentiment for AAPL across the week. And finally, remember, every article shown here can also be reviewed in detail with full sentiment analysis in the Sentiment Analysis tab, which we'll cover next. This completes the walkthrough of the Sentiment Timeline tab. It gives you both a snapshot of recent sentiment and a full view of how news has trended over the past week, helping you understand the broader market mood before trading.